Some business owners say that they're afraid to reopen. Their fear being sued if a customer or employee is infected with COVID-19. Our national investigative team looks at the legal immunity laws proposed around the country. Here's Investigate TV's Lee Zurich with tonight's COVID-19 tracker.
Attorney Jim Garner estimates at least 1,000 lawsuits have already been filed across the country, claiming people caught COVID-19 at their workplace or business they visited.
It's a real concern. It's a real concern for the recovery of the economy, because if businesses and employers can't operate without the fear of being sued, is that going to be a damper on the comeback and rebound?
If some businesses are fearful for being sued, they may not reopen?
Absolutely. They won't be able to get insurance. They won't be able to afford the risk of opening and then getting sued on the back end of being shut down for 2 months or 3 months.
One restaurant owner in Birmingham switched her business to catering only and isn't allowing customers inside.
We always say we're not thinking about if we'll get sued, but when we'll get sued, and you're always wanting to decrease the amount of liability that you're carrying.
A handful of states across the country, including Alabama, Louisiana, Ohio, and Utah, have bills at different stages that would protect various businesses from lawsuits.
But if you're a big box retailer and somebody's alleging they caught the disease in your or the virus in your business, and you get hundreds and hundreds of lawsuits, the cumulative effect that could happen to you. So the bill just raises the standard and says that a business has to be willful or wanton or knowingly with reckless disregard to the health of others.
The Utah bill has already passed that shields businesses and property owners from coronavirus-related suits.
There's also the thought that we are going to want businesses to participate in potential tracking and reporting of COVID-19 cases, and that if they are scared about liability and litigation, that we may not get that participation to help curb this pandemic.
The Utah law has a provision, as do those proposed in Alabama, Ohio, and Louisiana. It doesn't apply if a business is reckless or intentionally causes harm. On the federal level, there has been some discussion of similar legislation. Consumer advocacy groups oppose a federal immunity bill, saying it would undermine consumer and worker protection, excuse negligent conduct, and get into an area of law they say should be handled by states.
Some states are also considering bills that would specifically protect healthcare workers from civil lawsuits related to COVID-19. Those states include Louisiana, Michigan, and Massachusetts. Last week, Oklahoma lawmakers approved a Healthcare Liability Immunity Act. Pepsi wants you to make sure that you get your groceries and snacks fast. What it's now offering online. That's next on Valley News Live, 10 at 10.